Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Keri here, and we're back with Vlogmas Day 9.
25 days of love and laughter, memories we'll be keeping after, family crafts and cozy dreams. Keri's world is full of gleams, so give this video a thumbs up too. Come and share, it's all for you. Subscribe and stay, don't miss a thing. Let's make the season shimmer and sing. It's Vlogmas with Keri.
Alright guys, so I'll be very honest. I had this grand plan for today where it would be like an entrepreneur day in the life, spend the day with me kind of a thing. But guys, today did not go according to plan any at all. So first off, we started off the morning and my car was doing this thing. So it was like -10 outside. I tried to remote start it and it was saying, oh, check your coolant levels, blah, blah, blah. So I had called VW about this like earlier, like last week, and they were like, oh, it's because of the weather, so just start it up and then, once it warm up, it should be good. But guys, honestly, I wasn't finna go outside to go warm the car and then come back. So I had waited until drop off time for Kahai. So I went to the gym a little later than usual. Then once I got back home, guys, life, and I guess you can say like I was needed more at home for the duration of the morning and into the afternoon. So like it didn't go according to plan, but I think that is really what this whole entrepreneur journey is about, is that no 2 days are the same. So like right now it's almost 4, which means I have to go get Kahai for dance and stuff like that. But it means that my work day starts later, ends later. So like right now, my work day, like I won't be able to really get into the thick of it until later, until after dance. So, we'll see what today is giving. But I guess I'll show you guys what I did in the gym this morning. I did a full, it was a leg day. So I'll flip to that now. And then we'll go see what I get up to in a bit, because I think I might go uptown, maybe walk around for a bit. Let's see. Alright guys, so I guess we can call this mommy duty now, because I've picked up a little and I'm currently uptown. She has a dance class. It's an hour long. However, wait guys, we were about 15 minutes late. So like right now I'm like, it doesn't really make much sense to even walk around or anything right now, because outside is giving icky. Like, let me show you. Yeah, I mean, it's cold and shit, so like I'm not too thrilled to be out walking in this. Yeah, and car creative 12 to 4. I like these hours 12 to 4, because why do we need to be open to the public longer than that? I'm with y'all. Like, that's really like my kind of operating hours as well. I don't know, I'm going to say something and it sounds crazy coming out of my mouth right now, but guys, I really hate the fact that like a storefront has been calling my name, like a brick and mortar has been calling my name, and I really hate that for me. I hate that for me so much. But it has been calling my name. We'll see what 2026 has in store where that is concerned, because right now I don't even see the how, but where there's a will, there's a way. So like right now, no, once I get back home, I'm gonna be okay. Alright, I have some stuff that I have to finish for work for tonight. So just got a little something to eat. Well, she just ate before her dance class, but you know she get hungry again right after. I can probably get home and probably lock in for like an hour. I think it's probably gonna take me like 2 hours to get this done. Can probably lock in for like a hour and a half, and then probably get the next hour and a half after I put her down for bed. Not me saying put her down for bed like she's a baby, but like, yeah, I have to like do the whole homework routine to like check her homework, do the homework with her, you know, maybe play a game, you know, speak some self-love and motivation to her over her life, stuff like that. Yeah, so I have to do that as well, guys. Oh my gosh, guys, I low-key want a little studio. I want a little studio. I want a little studio space, and I've seen this space that has, oh gosh. Alright guys, so I'm just now coming back from off the road. It's currently 5:32 p.m. So honestly guys, the only thing I really want to do right now is open my laptop and go dive into this work. But like, I literally cannot right now. Okay, hi, where's the homework? Yes, as I told you guys, once I got in, I'd be doing homework with her, then probably make like a girl dinner or something. So, homework pouch. You don't need to come on me. You don't need to come into the camera view. Okay, so she has one book to read. Yeah, so like after our PTA meeting, when we spoke with her teacher, it was said that, oh, what's going on over here? Yeah, so all right, so like when we had gone to PTA meeting with her teacher, we had decided that, you know, she should be getting like more complex books for her homework. So this is one of the complex ones that came home. So I know it's gonna take her a little while to figure this one out, but I'm gonna leave her with it, and then we're gonna go make a quick girl dinner because I'm starving and I really need to dive into the work right now. So all right, Kahai, you can go and practice reading this. If you're bucking into any words that you need help with, let me know. I'm gonna go make something to eat because I'm hungry. Yeah. Okay, so you guys, oh, so you never get any math homework?
Yeah, I'll
Just reading? Okay. Alright guys, so here's everything you're going to need for tonight's girl dinner. So we're gonna need some tuna. I'm using the Kirkland's brand. A serving of this is 12 gram protein. Let me see one. So let me see if we can do the maths right. Okay, it's 133 grams, right? And I am having the entire thing. Okay, so let's do this. It's by 55 grams. So that's 2.4 servings. So 2.4 multiplied by 12. So this overall meal is about 28 grams just from the tuna alone. The second thing you'll need is this spinach dip. This has 1 gram protein, so pretty much no protein in my eyes. The only reason I'm using this spinach dip is because, well, I bought it. I didn't like it as a dip on its own because when I just went, guys, I man shopped this. So like, I know I like spinach dips, right? But I forgot to check to make sure like the first ingredient was cheese. So the first ingredient is actually mayonnaise. So it wasn't really the kind of spinach dip I thought I'd be getting. You know, like the type you get from like Montana's. Yeah. So then you're gonna need some naan. I'm gonna use 1.5 ooh, I'm gonna use 1.5 naan, and a whole one is 9 grams. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to be having 13.5. So 13.5. Let me add the 13.5 plus 13.5. So total we're looking at, as my girl dinner is coming in at around 42 grams of protein. I am not mad at that. So we're gonna cut these into some triangles, I guess, and I'm gonna throw the rest of these in the fridge. So when the rum tell you use a big dancer, let we go, let we go, let we go. So I'm gonna be throwing these in the air fryer on 350 for 4 minutes once I cut them up, and I already checked to make sure there was no plastic covers on the back of this liner. If you watched yesterday's vlog, you know. All right, so let's see if we can give you guys some action. Alrighty, so here it is, guys. I'm literally just like, quite literally, like, just okie dokie. So here they are. I'm just gonna throw them over here. Don't need that anymore. All right, guys, this is what it's giving. I have to do them in batches, so let's go. Alrighty, so alright, guys, tuna drained. And guys, funny enough, this is mad filling. I mean, 42 grams of protein, that's a whole heap of protein. And then this is the, so I used the half to make the first one. This is just the remaining half now that I'm gonna use. Alright, guys, here's the tuna mix. That's all it took. And I'm gonna finish making the naan chips, and that would be my girl dinner. So once I'm done everything, I'll come back and show you guys the finished product. Guys, it's so funny because like I tried ending out the video earlier and like the file And I guess the file got corrupted or something because it's not working. But I'm having some kombucha, and let me show you the brand. Yeah, so I'm having, so here are the chips. This is the dip. What I would say is you can make this into a tuna sandwich if you want to, because it's so good. But this is the brand kombucha I'm having. It's sweeter than most brands I've tried, so I like it. Alright guys, that was my quick, easy and simple girl dinner for tonight. Let me know in the comments below if you would try this out. Amoy, you know about the answer. This is not for you. Everybody else though, let me know.